So, what in the world does a person and a snake have to do with one of the most common characters in Chinese? Well, we're about to find out. And trust me, by the end of this, you are never going to forget this character.
Okay, let's dive right in with this ancient picture puzzle. On the left, you've clearly got a person, and on the right, a snake. Now, imagine ancient people mash these two ideas together to make a single character. Any idea what it could possibly be? Go on, take a guess.
All right, here's your first huge clue. You see this part of the character? Yeah? It's pronounced yeah. Well, way back when, this was the character for snake. Seriously, that's the key to this whole thing, so lock that in your brain.
So, when we look at the modern character, we have our two main pieces. On the left, we've got the person radical, and on the right, we've got our ancient snake radical. Yay, a person and a snake. See how it comes together? Okay, so what happens when you actually put them together? A person standing right next to a snake. What on earth could that mean? And here it is. It creates the character Ta. It's pronounced ta with a high flat tone, ta, and it means he. That's right, the character for he is literally a picture of a person next to a snake. Isn't that wild? But wait, how do you connect person plus snake to the word he? It seems totally random, right? Well, there's a ridiculously easy way to remember this forever. Just picture this in your mind. You see a guy standing right next to a snake, and you point it at him and say, "Whoa, look at him! He's standing right next to a snake. Isn't he scared?" So, you think you've got it? Let's do a quick test. Just for a second, picture the radical for person. Now picture that ancient radical for snake right next to it. What character is that? It's ta, ta. It means he. See? You got this. Okay, now that you're practically an expert, here's a fun little challenge for you. So, the radical for woman or female is nu. If you take that woman radical and put it next to our snake radical, what character do you think that makes?
If you think you've cracked that code, I would love to see your answer. Go ahead and drop it in the comments below. Thanks so much for unpacking this awesome character with me today.